Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to basically set up the gel gun, the bullets for it. These are the bullets. So all you have to do is add water. So best way to do is get a bottle of some kind, put a bit of like mixed water, not cold, not hot, just in between, and pop these in. And yeah, first I'm going to rinse it, and yeah, we'll see how it comes out. So right now they're tiny, as you can see, they're like teeny tiny balls. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to rinse the bottle now. And guys, we have got the balls in now. We did drop a few somewhere, but I managed to try get as much as I could in. Now all I'm going to do is fill it with water. So not cold, not hot. Well, it can be hot, it's just they might prematurely explode. In between, I guess. And don't fill up all the way to the top. I'll do about there-ish. Okay, and let's see what happens now. I'll leave it for a while and see how long it takes and what it looks like. And guys, after half an hour, it's gone quite blue, and yeah, I'm going to leave it off a tiny bit. So put it on just enough to keep the lid on. There you go. So you can filter it out. You need to filter the water out now. There's your balls, guys. Look how beautiful they are. So these are decent size. You can make them bigger. To make them bigger, all you do is put some more water in and then wait about 2-3 hours. It'll go a lot bigger. But these are not bad size, to be honest. I love that sound. It sounds sick. But yeah, what can you do? What do you do now? Just load into your gun, shoot that shit. But yeah, they don't harm much. If you hit your skin quite hard, then yeah, you'll get harmed. Like if you hit it 5-6 times in your hand in the same place, you'll get a little cut. But yeah, they're not very harmful. They're just for playing around. But yeah, that's how you make the gel balls. You can speed it up by using hotter water. Just don't use boiling hot, otherwise you'll explode the actual balls. And yeah, what do you think, guys? Thank you guys for watching. This is the best technique to use. Just use a hot water bottle, just a water bottle, I mean, or drink bottle, whatever. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.